We have something that is a little bit new for us today. We have borrowed some handbells to sort of supplement our chimes, especially as we come to Advent and Christmas. We're going to use both, and that expands what we're able to do instrumentally. But these are on loan for now. We'll see what happens. But these are handbells, and we're going to have a photo op here before we play. We have to give them the white glove treatment because they're made of brass and tuned to perfection most times. And we don't want to touch the brass and get our fingerprints all over. So, bell choir, if you will lift your bells up and smile, and Patty's gonna.
Now, one of you wasn't smiling.
Thank you, Patty. All right. Trust is a very important part of experiencing the gift of God. The gift of music comes to us from God, just as the gift of salvation does. And when we trust God with our salvation, and when we trust God with our lives, we realize how wonderful it is to trust in Jesus. Only trust Him. Only trust Him. He will save you. He will save you now. And 'tis so sweet to trust in Jesus.